Hey guys, Alex here from thetechnoclass.com, and this is the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And yeah, it kind of looks like the Galaxy Note 8, but it's even more of an upgrade than the S9 was over the S8. You can't really tell much by looking at it, but it really fixes the main issue I had with these high-end Galaxy phones. For some reason, despite the phones being designed for us power users, it just didn't fit batteries that go beyond that single-day use, making us less daring to take chances on the road. Well, not anymore. The new Note 9 packs a 4000 mAh battery inside, letting you stay out there for longer, take a few more pictures of your dog, and game a little longer without having to ration out your battery percentages. That in itself is huge, because the more time you spend charging is less time you're enjoying your phone out there in the wild. And that seems like the overarching philosophy behind the new Note 9's changes. More features designed for the power user. Here's an example. The new S Pen has Bluetooth on it, which means you can launch your camera from 10 meters away, switch to selfie mode, take a selfie, or even take a video remotely. Or you can use it as a Bluetooth presenter, another feature a power user would really appreciate in those boardroom meetings. Speaking of office work, the new DeX can be launched with just an HDMI dongle now, thanks to a new cooling solution on the Note 9. Super convenient. And you'll have more room to work with too. The base model starts with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Plus you get a microSD card slot, so shoot more 4K video, edit more documents, play more games, listen to more music with your headphone jack, and worry less about your battery percentage. It's really freeing when you don't have to worry about these kinds of things. Imagine having to uninstall games just to fit more video into your phone as a power user. That sucks. Not a problem anymore with the Note 9. Heck, there's even a 512GB version if you're really crazy about that storage. Other than that, the new Note gets parity with the S9. So you get a new processor, new dual speakers with Dolby Atmos, dual aperture f1.5, f2.4 OIS main sensor, and of course you still get the Note's 2x zoom sensor with OIS. There's some new additions to the camera software in the form of AI scene recognition and an interesting feature that points out possible issues on photos like people blinking or blurry motion, which is actually pretty helpful. But really what the Note 9 is a more power user edition of the Note 8. And let's face it, in today's world of notches, lost headphone jacks, and brands sticking with mere Full HD displays, the Note 9 is still leagues and leagues in front with the tech crammed into it. There's just nobody else out there that can beat a Samsung AMOLED QHD Plus display, or the small bezels, or the dual OIS rear cameras, or the S Pen functionality, or the fact that it still has microSD, waterproofing, headphone jack, fast wired and wireless charging, and the list goes on. So yeah, the Galaxy Note 9 is in a way the perfect power user phone, even more so than the one previous. There's just nothing else like it. Interested? You can pre-order yours starting August 11th until the 19th with availability on the 24th. In the Philippines, the 128GB variant will retail for 55,990 pesos, which translates to about $1,000 US. The pre-order exclusives are pretty crazy too. There's the 512GB variant will sell for 75,990 pesos, but you get a crazy 32-inch HD TV as a pre-order bonus, while the 128GB variant will get you a more modest freebies like Gear Fit 2 Pro. So yeah, that's all you need to know about the new Galaxy Note 9. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below if it's maybe your new phone. So that's it for our coverage of the launch of the Note 9. Thank you very much for watching. Alex from thetechnoclass.com here, and I'll see you guys next time.